Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. In Georgia, India, there was a malfunction on a ski lift and the lift reversed into a 40-mile-per-hour chaos. After employees realized the brakes weren't working, people were told to jump more than 50 feet or they would be smashed into wreckage or thrown from their carts.
Ёб твою мать! Пиздец! Это пиздец! Блять!
On March 24th, 2001, MLB pitcher Randy Johnson actually killed a bird during a pitch. Watch this amazing video on volcanic lightning. That's it for today, guys. If you're having a bad day, I hope I made it a little bit better.